When we embalm, we do more than preserve. We interpret. We care for the dead as if they were someone's sister, mother, daughter, or friend. For someone like Ananda Lewis, embalming becomes an honor, a sacred responsibility. And as always, I would take my time, not just with her hands, but with my heart. Because this is not just death work, it's love extended one last time. With love in my heart, if I have the opportunity to embalm Ananda Lewis in death, I will begin with reverence, because she carried grace in life, and my goal would be to reflect that in her final presentation with dignity, softness, and intention. Given her battle with cancer, I used a medium index arterial fluid, around the 25, with restorative and injection, gently hydrate to preserve the flesh. For her melanated skin, I avoid harsh chemicals, using the low index for her face when I inject upward. Every touch would honor her beauty without artificiality. Cosmetically, she wouldn't need much, just a little enhancement to reflect the warmth she always radiated. Her hairstyles real soft and elegant, hands relaxed, left over right. The funeral would be intimate, light-filled, some gospel humming gently, soft florals, heartfelt stories and shared about her, a celebration of her life, strength, and spirit. Probably would use a millennial casket by Batesville, which is one of my favorites, and it's fit for a queen, the queen that she was. See, in this work, embalming is more than preservation, it's storytelling, and Ananda's story will be told with the utmost care. May God bless her family and friends. My deepest condolences as we lost a great token in American culture, a real light. Thank you for watching.